What's up, YouTube? I am Ben, and welcome to my channel, Truck of Choice. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Subscribe, like, and share this video. I would very much appreciate that. But today it's a new day, and I wanted to do the first cold start of the day. So hang in there. This week has been awesome, y'all. Like this week has been super crazy, but really good. Why I say good and awesome is because I got to install 2 more upgrades to my brand new 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. And I'm so excited to reveal those upgrades to you guys today. So let's look at what Jeff said that he was going to install yesterday when we took our truck to the dealership at Walker Jones, Waycross, Georgia, at the Toyota dealership. What's up, guys? Hey, we're at Walker Jones Toyota in Waycross, Georgia. We're in the dealership, and this is the guy that sold me my truck, Jeff Traynham. If you're ever in the market for a truck, this man is the guy to see. You know why? Because when I first asked him, he said one phrase, and that's it. That did for me. And he said, "Guess what, Ben? I will not screw you over, and neither will he screw anyone over when it comes to giving you a good deal." But here's the guy that's about to explain what we're about to do to my 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. What are we about to do, Jeff?
We're going to put steps on it, the Predator steps, the factory Predator steps on it, and we'll put the 265/70 17 tires on it, replace the stock tires that came on. It's going to be a good looking truck when you get through.
That's right, it is going to be. Can't wait to show it off to you guys. And so here you go, the new Predator style steps, as well as the Toyo Open Country AT3s 265/70 17Rs. Have fun. Now, while y'all were checking all this out, my mailman just came by. He dropped off the next upgrade. So I'm gonna go pick it up and install it for the next video that will be coming up pretty soon. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe and share this video, share this channel, so that people like me who are new into this truck modifications and all of this can follow along and kind of get direction on which way to go in terms of customizing their truck of choice. But other than that, it's so good to see y'all. Thank you for checking me out. Until the next video.
Yeah, Ben, that thing got a little more meat on it now. right tennis shoes there.